Is your Acura MDX key fob from 2014 to 2018 not working or difficult to open? A dead or dying battery is the most common cause. Start by confirming the issue. If the remote doesn't unlock or lock the doors or the keyless start system fails, it's likely the battery. To replace it, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the fob casing and a new CR20032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. These batteries are readily available at most auto parts stores like AutoZone, usually costing around $5. Working in a well-lit area will also help. First, locate the seam on your key fob. This is where the two halves of the case meet and can be separated. Gently insert the pry tool into the seam and carefully twist to separate the two halves of the case. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic clips. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the correct orientation. Positive side usually faces up. Insert the new CR232 battery in the same orientation. Align the fob casing halves and snap them firmly back together, ensuring there are no gaps. Finally, test the functionality of the fob by attempting to lock and unlock your Acura MDX. If it works, you're done. If not, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the battery is new and fully charged.